You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? There are two different Latin pronunciations for those words. The meaning is to seduce and to instruct or teach. Classical Latin: placere et docere, placere et docere. Ecclesiastical Latin, which sounds more like Italian: placere et docere. There are two different Latin pronunciations for those words. The meaning is to seduce and to instruct or teach. Classical Latin: placere et docere, placere et docere. Ecclesiastical Latin, which sounds more like Italian: placere et docere. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.